The onion recipe that destroys diabetes, cleans your arteries and saves your heart. For millions of people struggling with diabetes and heart issues, the journey often feels frustrating and endless. You've tried lowering your sugar intake, juggling medications and experimenting with diets, yet nothing brings lasting change. What if a solution has been hiding in your kitchen all along? The humble onion, when paired with two natural ingredients, holds surprising potential to heal your body from within. In this video, we explore a remarkable natural remedy, a simple recipe using red onion, turmeric and olive oil, combined with 15 additional healing foods that help regulate blood sugar, clear arteries and restore your energy. The healing power of red onion, turmeric and olive oil. At the heart of this natural approach lies a medicinal sauté made from red onion, turmeric and olive oil. This trio is more than just flavorful, it's medicinal. Red onions are rich in quercetin, a flavonoid that combats inflammation and oxidative stress, especially inside the arteries. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, is one of nature's most powerful anti-inflammatories, helping to lower blood sugar and protect the lining of blood vessels. Olive oil, especially extra virgin, provides healthy fats that support cardiovascular health and help the body absorb these nutrients. The recipe is simple, really. Sauté sliced red onions in olive oil for about 3 or 4 minutes, then add a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, which by the way helps boost curcumin absorption, and, if you like, a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Cook it all together for another 1 or 2 minutes and enjoy with steamed vegetables, rice or even salads. Many people report feeling better circulation, less bloating and more stable energy within just a few days. 15 natural foods that help reverse diabetes and protect your heart. This powerful onion recipe is even more effective when combined with other whole healing foods. And these aren't exotic superfoods, they're affordable, accessible and deeply nourishing. So let's begin with the first one. 1. Kale. Often overlooked, kale is a fibre-rich leafy green that helps lower bad cholesterol, stabilise blood sugar and reduce inflammation. It also contains vitamin K, which prevents calcium buildup in arteries. 2. Avocado. Rich in monounsaturated fats, avocados improve insulin sensitivity, balance cholesterol levels and support gut health. Just a few slices a day can help reduce hunger and control glucose levels. 3. Strawberries. Despite their sweetness, strawberries have a low glycemic index. They're loaded with vitamin C, improve blood vessel function, and naturally lower blood pressure. 4. Walnuts. Packed with magnesium and selenium, walnuts improve insulin response and reduce oxidative damage in the arteries. Just a handful a day, really, can improve energy, mood, and glucose levels. 5. Yams. These earthy roots are high in soluble fibre and dioscinin, which is an anti-inflammatory compound that improves circulation and protects against heart disease. 6. Garlic. When it's crushed or chopped, garlic releases allicin. This powerful compound lowers blood pressure, improves circulation, and actually fights those silent infections that contribute to inflammation. 7. Apples with the skin on. Apples contain quercetin in the skin, which helps reduce inflammation and promote fullness, making them just ideal for blood sugar control and artery protection. 8. Broccoli. Loaded with sulforaphane, broccoli detoxifies blood, improves immunity and boosts insulin sensitivity. It's low-calorie yet incredibly nutrient-dense. 9. Oranges. Whole or with pulp. Oranges contain vitamin C and hesperidin, supporting flexible arteries and lowering cholesterol, when consumed as whole fruit, not juice. 10. Oats minimally processed. Rich in beta-glucan, oats slow sugar absorption and lower LDL cholesterol. Avenanthramides, unique to oats, fight inflammation in the blood vessels. 11. Almonds. These tiny seeds are packed with fibre, protein, and magnesium. They help regulate insulin and reduce sugar spikes, perfect as snacks or in smoothies. 12. Purple grapes with the skin on. The skin of purple grapes contains resveratrol, which improves artery flexibility, lowers inflammation, and supports brain and heart health. 13. Black beans. These legumes offer soluble fiber, iron, and anthocyanins, a powerful mix for stabilizing blood sugar and reducing cardiovascular risk. 14. Lemon. Lemon juice aids digestion, supports liver detox, and helps stabilize glucose and cholesterol levels. Its cleansing effect goes beyond taste. 15. Apple cider vinegar, which is, optional in the onion recipe. This fermented tonic may help improve insulin sensitivity and support digestion when added in small amounts to meals. A mindset shift toward healing. What's perhaps most powerful about this approach is the emotional shift it offers. Many people living with diabetes and cardiovascular conditions feel like food is the enemy. But this video it's based on reminds us that food can be healing when chosen wisely. You don't need expensive supplements or complex meal plans. You need simple, real ingredients prepared with care. The onion recipe with red onion, turmeric and olive oil is just one example of how your kitchen can become your medicine cabinet. So whether you're newly diagnosed or years into managing your condition, know this: healing is possible, and it starts with what's on your plate.